Do you want to get into PC building but need to be on a bit of a budget? Well, thanks to AMD's Ryzen CPUs, the barrier to enter the world of PC gaming is lower than it's ever been before. So if you're looking into building your first gaming PC, or you want to gift someone the components to build one but have no idea what you're doing, never fear. Hi there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and we thought we'd help you out by showing you an awesome build. This build is perfect for a gamer who plays a lot of online multiplayer competitive games such as League of Legends or Overwatch, and might be interested in dabbling in a bit of content creation in the future. We also managed to keep this build under $1,500. We've consulted with Nick, our resident PC builder/wizard, to come up with a cool gaming PC build for you guys. If you want to skip ahead to any particular part of the build, such as the parts, build itself, or the benchmarks, all of the timestamps will be below. We've gone with our stunning H200 Snow Edition case because it's a great price and looks amazing too. For our CPU, we've gone with an AMD Ryzen 5 3600. The motherboard we're using is the MSI B450 Tomahawk Max board. We've tapped in the gorgeous white edition of our much loved TOUGHRAM RGB memory. To power it all, we're using a smart BX1 750-watt power supply. Our friends at MSI have hooked us up with an awesome GeForce GTX 1660 Super graphics card. We've gone with both the WD Blue 250GB SSD and the Seagate Barracuda 2TB HDD. Lastly, we've added in a few of our stunning Pure 12 ARGB fans. So, without further ado, let's find out how this was built. Cue the electro music and build montage! So as you can see, we've gone for a bit of a frosty, snowy white theme to match our gorgeous case, as well as our brand new white edition of our TOUGHRAM. So now we're going to jump into doing some benchmarking to see exactly what this system can do. We took some modern titles that we thought you might be interested in if you are going for the same build. We have aimed this for 1080p gaming, with all options set to max, and these results show the average frame rate across these titles. We hope this helped you in your quest for building an awesome gaming PC. If you did enjoy the video today, remember to give it a like and let us know in the comments down below if you want to see more build videos like this from us. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ding the bell to be notified each and every time we upload. And while you're here, check out some of these other awesome Thermaltake videos that are floating in the air beside me. We'll see you in the next one.